There's a point in every market cycle when the noise fades away, when the hype cools down, when people stop talking about the next big thing, and when charts start looking lifeless. That's the moment when opportunity quietly starts knocking, and only the patient ones ever hear it. That's where Onyxcoin finds itself today. Right now, while most investors are chasing the next meme coin, Onyxcoin, ticker symbol XCN, is quietly rebuilding, restructuring, and preparing for something bigger than most people can see. It's one of those moments that looks dull on the surface, but beneath it, something is shifting. The story of Onyxcoin isn't about hype, it's about resilience. And in a market where sentiment changes overnight, resilience often becomes the most underrated strength. Let's go back for a second. A lot of people remember when XCN had its initial run, when excitement was high and it looked like it was going to be one of those breakout DeFi tokens. Then the market turned, momentum faded, and like many altcoins, Onyx took a heavy hit. Prices dropped, attention vanished, and the narrative cooled. For most investors, that's where the story ended. But what's interesting is that for Onyx, that's actually where the story started. Because instead of disappearing, the team went back to the fundamentals. They restructured, improved their tokenomics, and began aligning Onyx's framework with real DeFi value. The project didn't chase hype, it built utility. And in crypto, the projects that survive the downtrend are usually the ones quietly preparing for the next wave. Now, the numbers tell a simple story. Onyxcoin currently trades around $0.0088, which might look unimpressive to some. But that's exactly how most undervalued opportunities appear before the market wakes up. Analysts have mixed projections. Some expect it to cool down further, but others see potential highs of around 3 cents before 2025 ends. The truth probably sits somewhere in between. A realistic, grounded outlook puts XCN around 1.7 to 2 cents by the end of 2025, a move that could double or even triple its current value. Because real investors don't wait for proof, they recognize potential. And right now, potential is exactly what Onyxcoin is full of. Maybe a year from now, people will talk about how they wish they bought when XCN was still under a penny. Or maybe they'll scroll through the charts and say, I saw it coming, and I acted. The choice between those two outcomes is being made right now, quietly, while the world isn't watching. And that's why Onyxcoin's story matters. Because it's not just another token waiting for a pump, it's a project surviving the silence and preparing for the sound. The noise will come. It always does. The only question is, will you already be in when it does? Now, let's get into the full details of XCN Coin. Onyx Protocol is a cloud-based blockchain infrastructure enabling companies to create private blockchain networks for enhanced financial services. Unlike public blockchains, Onyx provides a closed, secure environment for issuing, storing, and transferring digital assets, minimizing risks like security breaches and transaction delays. It caters to enterprise needs through products such as the Remote Procedure Call API, RPC/API, and Sequence, a blockchain-based accounting service. These services offer both standard and premium tiers, with premium features accessible via XCN payments. The protocol's core design addresses key financial settlement challenges, including reducing fees, increasing transparency, and streamlining transaction settlements, and uses innovative features like issuance programs for asset creation and control programs for managing assets securely. Block signers safeguard the network, while block generators ensure efficient block creation. The Onyx Protocol is governed by a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, where XCN token holders participate in decision-making by staking their tokens. This means that XCN acts as both a utility and governance token, offering voting rights, discounts on premium services, and a means to pay for Onyx Cloud and Sequence fees. Founded in 2014 by venture capitalist Adam Ludwin, Onyx was initially backed by major firms like Nasdaq and Citigroup, raising over $40 million. After being acquired by Stellar's Lightyear Corporation in 2018, it later became a privately held corporation in 2021. With a maximum supply of 48.4 billion tokens, XCN powers the ecosystem and incentivizes community-driven growth through its transparent, decentralized governance model. The Onyx blockchain network was founded in 2014 by venture capitalist Adam Ludwin with support from major venture capital firms, aiming to modernize financial systems. The team launched ChainCore after raising over $40 million through strategic partnerships with Nasdaq, Orange, Capital One, and Citigroup. In 2018, the platform was sold to Lightyear Corporation, part of the Stellar Development Foundation, before transitioning in 2021 to operate as a privately held corporation with a new board, shareholders, and offices. In March 2022, CHN was rebranded to XCN, spurring positive price growth. Today, the XCN project is led by a team of seasoned blockchain developers and fintech experts specializing in smart contracts, protocol optimization, and financial infrastructure. They are known to actively engage with the community via Discord, Twitter, and governance forums, maintaining transparency through roadmaps, progress reports, and AMAs. Alongside the strong development team is a decentralized governance model, allowing XCN token holders to shape the platform's future, voting on critical proposals to ensure collective growth and innovation.